1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Joni Mitchell. Both sides now. Okay, so, excuse me. This song is not too hard, but it's got some tricks to it. We gotta tune the guitar to an open D major. And put a capo on 4th fret. So that's the trick. So the strings should sound like this. Open D major. So 6 and 4, it's the same tuning. 5 and 2, same tuning. And then the G string, let's see, it should say A sharp. So D, 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 A, and A sharp. That's a major third right there. Okay, so here's the shapes. Basically grab an E7 shape. 1 on the G string, 2, and move that up to 4. So that's the verses and the chorus and everything. And then you have this chord, which is 2 on D, and you keep 1 on G. So it starts with this chord, the intro. As she starts singing, you go. And then. That's 2 on the D and slide up to 4. So she's basically playing on the guitar what she's singing. She's playing with the melody. Time you stay on that shape, and then you end with 3, 2, open, and 3. Okay, and then we have the chorus. That's a little different. So again, she's playing with the melody. 4 4 2 2 open on the D string, and then 5 4 open, and then that's 4 5 4 2 4. Finally, she ends on that chord. That's when she does that picking. And then back to intro. Verse. Very nice on the acoustic guitar, which it is. So yeah, let's go over the parts before we end the lesson. Intro, hang on that chord to open. Verse, do, 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 do. Okay, and then chorus, play along with the melody. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome, cool songs. Be safe. Take care.